Welcome to this video on the drawbacks of hybrid solar energy systems. We will provide an engineering and economic analysis for electricians, engineers, and homeowners. A primary barrier to entry for hybrid systems is the financial obstacle, specifically the high capital expenditure, or CAPEX. The upfront costs are prohibitive due to the need for a specialized hybrid inverter and battery bank. Battery costs alone can be 40 to 50% of the total price, extending the return on investment period significantly. Hybrid systems present significant complexity for engineers, involving complex wiring, advanced control logic for functions like peak shaving, and an increased number of fault points leading to higher communication failure probability. Energy conversion losses are another drawback. Each charge-discharge cycle involves multiple DC-AC-DC conversions, resulting in a 10 to 15% round-trip conversion loss compared to direct consumption. Batteries degrade over time. Standard lithium-ion batteries lose 20 to 30% of capacity within 10 years, necessitating a costly replacement cycle. Maintenance and troubleshooting are more challenging. Specialized service is required for battery management systems, active thermal management is needed, and regular firmware updates are mandatory. Hybrid systems have space and siting hurdles. They require significant physical real estate, temperature-controlled environments, and safety clearances that often restrict placement in living areas. Heavy battery racks may also require floor reinforcement. A major critical vulnerability is the single point of failure in integrated hybrid units. If the hybrid inverter fails, both solar generation and battery backup are typically lost simultaneously. Comparing technologies, hybrid systems have a higher cost, are complex, offer partial to full backup, and require moderate to high maintenance compared to on-grid string systems. In summary, while hybrid systems offer energy independence, the trade-offs include high capital costs, technical complexity, energy conversion losses, and a shorter overall component lifespan.